Guys, new haircut. And believe me, this recording is important for me because I wanted to see how my looks evolved throughout the years. Okay, that is why I film all this. Not like I'm self obsessed, but I love the things in the past somehow. So, in future, I will look at this as a thing of the past. Okay, so this side I feel it is good. This time here it's normal. Okay.